what is the proportion over here? 4:5:4. Now, reactant to this product, what is the ratio? Together if we take both the reactants, that is 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 volumes is giving 4 volumes of NO. 9 volumes produces 4 volumes of NO. Therefore, 27 liters of reactants. 27 liters of reactants will produce 4 by 9, 1 will produce 4 by 9, 4 by 9, and 27 will produce 4 by 9 into 27, just unitary method. So 3, 12. 12 liters of NO will be produced. Where reactant is given, then both the reactants together it is taken. So 9 volumes of the reactant produces 4 volumes of NO. So 27 volumes of reactant will produce how much? 4 by 9 into 27. Now the next. A mixture of hydrogen and chlorine occupying 36 cm cube was exploded. On shaking it with water, 4 cm cube of hydrogen was left behind. Find the composition of the mixture. Now here 36 cm cube was exploded. 36 cm cube is the total volume. Now after exploding, now what is the reaction taking place over here? Hydrogen and H2 plus Cl2 forming 2HCl. This total mixture was 36. It said that on shaking with water, 4 cm cube of hydrogen was left. So we know that HCl is a gas. HCl is a gas which is completely soluble or highly soluble in water. So the amount of HCl that is produced, it will be completely soluble in water. So if 4 cm cube, when we dissolve the product that is formed is dissolved in water, 4 cm cube of hydrogen was left. So how much of the mixture actually reacted? If we subtract, so HCl formed or that reacted was actually 36 minus the unreacted hydrogen. That is equal to 32. 36 minus 4, because this 4 did not react, so we have to subtract that, and the total volume that reacted and formed HCl is 32 liters. Now 32 liters, let us see over here. This is 32. Now if this is x, then this is x by 2 and x by 2. This is 2, so this is 1 and 1. 1 is to 1 is to 2. Means the product is double the volume of each reactant. So if this is 32, if 32 HCl is produced, that means half of 32, that is 16 and 16. 32 by 2, x by 2, x by 2. So 32 by 2 and 32 by 2. This is 16 volumes of hydrogen plus 16 volumes of chlorine reacted to give 32 volumes of HCl. So what was the mixture? It is told find the composition of the mixture. The mixture, initial mixture, what was the composition? So composition was 16 chlorine, 16, what was centimeter, cm cube, okay. And hydrogen, 16 cm cube reacted plus the 4 cm cube that was left unreacted, that did not dissolve in water. That is equal to 20 cm cube. So the initial mixture was 20 cm cube.